183
It's
kilowatt.
manual.
Yeah, 183 kilowatt, which is like
230 horsepower? Is it four-wheel drive?
no, it's front-wheel drive.
So yeah.
With an electronically controlled front diff, which I'm
Not a
pretty sure
mechanical diff? No.
it has like an open. I think how it works is an open diff, and then like a brake force, which is like the same as the RS3s and stuff. Sit on the seats. It's insane. It's like honestly the best seats of any car I've ever been in.
What?
Like compare the RS3.
This feels like Mum Gun used to feel like this.
Yeah, it's nuts. Oh, he's finally done the exhaust on it. He's going to come through the.
Yeah, he said he's driving. He pulled in the Coles entry, which I'm guessing is there.
Yeah, so he'll come around here. Oh, there you go. That's his car. That's definitely an RS6.
Hectic.
I guess I'm not the fastest car anymore.
That's what I told you. Yeah. It's the fastest car anymore. That's why I'm saying that. It's a nice colour too.
Ridiculously fast. Right, let's listen to some cars. Porsche Turbo S is a little bit faster than my RS3. Oh my god, it's so fast. It's weird having glasses on.
Yeah, it's really weird seeing you in glasses.
Yeah. But
are you actually finding them useful?
Yeah, absolutely, of course. I'm pretty sure that I'm not the first person to be like, holy crap, glasses work. But
yeah, but you insisted for so long that you don't need them.
I don't know, they look funny.
Tell you, I was driving home the other day with my child for the first time. Amy said it was the smoothest she's ever seen me drive. She recognised me driving.
So like, I was kind of the same when Henry was born. Just like so, cautious. And then now, like I will drive pretty much however I want, and the kids will sleep in the car. And then I'll stop, pull over, and be like, oh, what's going on?
How's the coffee?
It's quite nice.
Tez is good.
Yeah, it's very nice here. A little bit more sporty. A bit sportier than the RS6. It's more sporty. But it's still actually quite like luxurious. Like it still feels quite nice. Like I had no idea about that.
So it's got like G-force, tire pressures, sports mode, and then just all the metrics.
So
but it's so Porsche. Do we need to hold it here?
Yeah, if you want.
Because you get a view of what the drivers see, which is generally blocked. Like, I cannot literally see that half the speedometer
with the wheel.
Oh. And like probably those 00s in a sports Corona is blocked out by the wheel.
Sounds pretty good actually.
Yeah, so this is like so I'm in sports mode, so it will do all the crackles.
Super nice materials. It's kind of crazy that you've come out of an RS6, which is like a luxury limousine, basically.
Yeah.
And you're now in a sports car, and yet
You feel, yeah, yeah,
It feels
it feels
equivalent.
like, yeah, I mean,
equivalent amounts of luxury.
yeah.
Oh, the ventilated seats, so nice. That was fun. Yeah, a little blast, thanks for that. I'm guessing the steering is extremely direct.
Yeah. It's,
That's what I've always heard, but I've always been like, I don't know, like everyone's like, you just gotta drive them. I'm like, yeah, I need to go to the dealership and go for like a,
Yeah.
in a, what are they called, the Cayman?
yeah, to be honest, the Cayman is probably better than probably...
In terms of directness?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Believe it, you know, because it's a bit engine as well. It's
Yeah, balance.
balance and things like that. But this is just...
Oh, it's insane. It's so fast, it's ridiculous.
Yeah, it's a stupid car.
Crazy. Awesome, thanks for that.
Come on, Mark.
How was it?
It's so fast. It's a different level too, like
Silly car, right?
full throttle performance is a bit faster than mine, but it's just so linear about it. Like mine is like turbo boost, spool, go, whereas this one is just like, yeah, it's hectic.
Man.
All right.
You take Jeremy for a
So
spin.
cool.
That sounds so nice. God damn. The Audi sounds. I see why people daily this and make it.
It's like an everything car. It's insane.
Oh my god. That's insane. Yeah, you can do it. Yeah, I haven't been in anything faster than like 200 horsepower. So.
Okay, well this is 450 wheel, so it's
quick. Holy! It gets very. That made me dizzy. How do you drive this?
It's so funny. I actually do get used to it.
Yeah. I see him. Yeah, my friend said it's effortlessly fast.
Yeah, it's so dumb.
No wonder everyone loves this car. Like the RS3, RS4s.
It's just so easy to like to make stupid about. I mean, they're so fast from factory,
Yeah.
and then
just
literally
doing little
plug a box
things.
in, a little like the DS1, and it's just stupid. I had it for 3 months before I lost my license,
Oh.
so I really don't need any more. It's so fast.
Yeah, you really don't. Like, this is enough.
I can do a little rolling launch. That's that now. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't.
God damn. That was.
This
This is hectic. This is fucking crazy.